You've been busy, Kupka. But where did you go?
Run them pockets.
Mm-hmm.
Just waiting for a giant fist to show up.
Yeah.
Because he's, of course, going to be in Titan form.
The heart.
Mm-hmm.
The heart, Osborn.
He's in the sanctuary.
Yeah, run them pockets.
Come on, Toggle.
The favor of Earth.
You gotta steal his shit, Torgal. Do you have anything out here?
Nope.
Okay. Alright. Let's go beat his ass, Torgal.
It'd be really funny if you just got completely lost. You're like, where the fuck? How do I get over there? I should have just jumped from the fucking
Yeah.
thing. It's not like I haven't jumped massive heights before.
Yeah.
Just cue fucking Metal Gear Revengeance music playing.
Rules of nature!
Rules of nature.
The memes, Jack!
The memes, Jack. That had some of my favorite boss music in it.
You had some good shit.
Goddamn. Music to get you fucking pumped. Just get pumped up. Fucking I'm my own master now is still like
It's really good.
so fucking good. Just a fucking robot dog and it's just, I'm my own master now.
Yeah.
You're like, oh fuck, this is so good.
I had that play when my son turned 18. Then I'm like, I don't have to fucking deal with your mom anymore, my god.
Fucking
Fucking
kill
going-
everyone. Flat.
He's like, I'm gonna get you, doggy.
Fighting the dog. Oh fuck.
Better be the last of them.
Yeah. You got some fucking money, dude. No, he's just right there. Yeah, he's just right there.
Benedicta, my everything. I've missed you so much. Kuka!
Oh.
I swear to you, my love. We will never be parted again. What's wrong with him?
It's like, oh god, he's got the cranial insanitosis.
He's got the aether sickness. That's what good pussy will do to a
Oh,
man.
I'm gonna go fuck the crystal now.
You got away from her.
Yeah. Yum, 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 yum.
Benedicta!
I'm a vampire.
Yeah.
It's like, what the fuck is happening here?
I don't know. I really don't.
Oh shit, he's priming.
Oh fuck, there's not enough room in this building.
Not now.
Get out of my head, Charles.
Charles!
Charles, get out of my head! Dorgle, get out of here! He's going to explode!
Come on.
There's really not going to be enough room here.
Find him. You've done this before. You can do it again. Let the flames burn within you. No. Let them burn without.
Burn the world, my brother. Burn it all.
Burn it all, Clive.
Shit.
I've come to beat the shit out of Titan.
I've come to kick ass and chew bubblegum. And bubblegum doesn't exist in this universe.
Look how fucking fast Ifrit is. They made him so cool in this one.
It's fucking cool.
He's just got no hands.
He doesn't have hands. Gotta make new ones. Goddamn dominant fucking music is great. Geo Crush. He's so fucking big. Boom. Up. Oh. Like fucking Dark Soul with fucking Tarkus and the Iron Knight. And you're like, yeah!
Ooh, gotta be quicker than that.
He's just gonna fucking explode.
I just pop his neck.
Well then.
Yeah.
I'll be over here. Just throwing rocks. Ooh! Ooh!
Nice trick. But if you can do it, then so could I!
Brimstone.
It's like, yeah. Stop teaching him moves!
This is fucking.
Just gonna throw everything.
Oops. Okay. Huh.
You can hold it to keep it down,
Okay.
and then it grows.
Let's give this a try.
Ah!
Oh shit! I thought I fucking dodged that.
Ooh.
Nah, it's not ready.
Excuse me, coming through. Just just dipping between his legs.
Ah.
Take that. Boom.
Yeah.
That's it. He's dead now.
What?
Oh, fuck. Oh.
Oh, shit! You like that shit? Oh, yeah.
I guess I'm just gonna eat this. Oh, that might have been a bad idea.
Oh, it burns
Who
going
would have
down.
expected? Oh, fuck. Where?
Yeah, just out the side, yeah.
He just fucking shoots out. Where?
Ugh. Well, we broke the mother crystal there, if there was one.
I parried it.
Fuck you, you didn't win.
You didn't win.
Holy shit.
Rules of nature.
Jesus Christ. Alright.
What the fuck is that? I'm gonna fucking kill it. Remember Metal Gear Solid Revengeance?
Yeah.
You have a gun.
Jesus Christ.
Rules of nature. Yeah, this shit goes crazy. Look how far he fucking punted your ass.
Oh, he made a trail for me.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get you.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Jesus Christ.
He's definitely got to be one of the craziest Final Fantasy main characters of all time.
I don't know what they want me to do here.
Just run.
Okay.
Whee!
I don't think Rock's supposed to do that.
It's the living rock. I found you! Jesus Christ. Okay. Stop it.
I'm gonna burn it.
Take
Yeah.
that. That's why I love his name now is Titan Lost.
Uh-huh.
I've got you now.
I got him right where I want him.
Fucking. You're right in punching distance, you motherfucker. Fucking punch your hand until you die from it.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, excuse me, I'm inside. Alright.
Pew, 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 pew. Ah.
You do have a thing that counters.
Do I?
Explode. They literally
Oh, yeah, that's right.
just gave it to you.
Yeah, I forgot about it.
I realized because, you know, you never used it during the entire fight.
Yeah.
You might not want to charge into it as it's coming at you.
Yeah.
Oh. What you doing? Whee!
God damn.
Also, it's crazy how much the music changes. Like, this song is like nothing.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, come on. Oh, I don't have any. I couldn't do my brimstone.
Yeah, it wasn't charged. Whoa. You went just right to where it was.
Yeah.
Let me dodge into it.
Ah, shit. I'm not used to the brimstone yet.
I mean, you just jump over that. You don't need the brimstone for that.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay.
It's because he hit a certain threshold.
Okay.
So let's continue on to the next phase. Like, you hit, like, exactly 50. So it's just like, and now we stop. Because you have to move. See, that's the one you were kind of more supposed to use it for. This one, these ones you can kind of get out of the way.
So just for stone's throw?
No, I mean it's a counter move. It's like if it's in a wide encompassing area, you can do it. But if it's something you can just like step off to the side, because it is also like a damage move. Like you got enough time to charge it up, and you want to do some damage to a. Or that's a good time to use it as well. And Just little hop. Yep. Imagine being in that fucking town.
yeah.
You know, like 20 minutes from here that you were just in. Everyone's just like, oh, the mountain got up. Drake's Fang just got up and is attacking something. We can't see it because it's so far away.
It's like, what do you mean Drake's Fang got up and started
the whole
attacking?
Mountain just stood up.
What I fucking just said, dude.
There are weird rock tentacles everywhere.
Damn it.
Hoorah!
Brrr.
Ah! This game definitely gets the scale like perfect. Where it's just like, it just feels like a giant monster fight.
Yeah.
Hoorah!
Oh, jeez.
Take that, bitch.
I'm gonna take your hand again.
You already took one of them. Fuck you, fuck you.
Boom. Jesus. You like that? Oh, you put me high in the sky. I like that.
He shot you so far into the sky. JoJo!
Oh my fuck, dude.
Special delivery! It's such a crazy
This is
sequence.
fucking stupid, dude.
This is wild. This is like fucking nothing the rest of the game had to offer.
Pew, pew, pew.
Maybe I shouldn't have thrown him that far into the sky.
Huh?
Eh? Nani?
You better grit your teeth!
Better grit your teeth!
Oh
Your
shit!
teeth!
Dynamic entry!
Buster Whoop!
Yeah, that's basically it. Jesus.
Da 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 da.
Now where's he at? Uh-huh.
Phase 3. You're Gandalf fighting the Balrog, falling through the mountain. Ow. Fucking got you. Bitch. Thus I smote the Titan on the mountain. I am Clive the White now.
You ain't got shit on me, dude. I see your fucking gooch.
I want you dick even more now.
Yeah.
Tatakoi.
Oh, hey. Yeah.
Ooh.
Where are we falling?
Fucking through the earth. You're gonna end up on the other side of the goddamn planet.
Come here, you coward. Ow.
Dominant fights are fucking wild.
Fucking whiffed. Did you see that shit?
Excuse me. Coming through, excuse me.
Yeah, bitch.
Spin! We're just gonna shoot him into the mother crystal to
That'd be
fucking
cool as
break
shit.
it. Excuse me.
Punch! You can do it, so can I, nerd.
You want to take in Mother Crystal power? Guess what?
Oh, shit. Look familiar?
I cast Fist. Uri!
It's a good thing I have two, motherfucker!
Bonk.
Yeah.
Ching!
Oh, that was cool as fuck.
It is insane how fucking hard the Titan fight goes.
I can't wait to watch this on my own so I can actually look at everything.
Yeah, it's like fucking insane. We're outside now, I guess.
Well, like you said, we fell through the earth.
We're on the other side. Or we got halfway and then it slingshotted us back out.
And I smote him on the side of the desert. I'm here to break your crystal, by the way.
Oh, there it is.
It just throws a sword. Wah! Yeah.
Yeah, there wasn't really a whole lot left of the crystal after our fight, so...
Oh shit!
Because I'm not... He fucking used a bit too much magic.
Yeah. What if the ether sickness is just in our brain? Ugh. Hey.
Is that you, Ultima? What do you want?
Your soul is tainted with worthless human will, yet your thirst for power remains undiminished. With every
He reminds me of
step
someone.
you grow in strength, and soon you shall achieve perfection.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You will accept us, Mythos. It is inevitable.
We are the Borg.
Yeah.
For this purpose, and you shall serve it.
Never!
Yeah, I'm not real. I'm like in your brain. His tiny little eyes.
Consciousness. We see now. Human will is so insubstantial it cannot exist in isolation. You mitigate its weakness by interweaving it with your consciousness. We believed we had merely to purge you of your will to claim our vessel. It appears we first have to sever every thread of the consciousness that supports it. No matter. The time to build a new world is not yet upon us. We will contemplate.
Bah.
Ta-ta. Ah.
Chomp, chomp, chomp.
Phoenix plume.
Spicy.
Thank you, Joshua.
I'm here now.
Yeah. That was pretty crazy,
I
dude.
went like 3 miles over just in case.
Yeah. Well, this fucking guy.
One can no more command the power of ether by drowning in its flood than one can constrain the tides by standing in the sea. I had thought Hugo wiser than this, but it seems his head was full of rocks after all.
Get it? Because he's Titan.
Because he's a
Titan
rockman.
was strong. Your Majesty. But Mythos is stronger. For 5 years, that man lived only for revenge, clinging fast to a fiction, even as it swept him into the abyss. One cannot change one's nature through force of will alone. Only the Almighty can do that.
Uh-huh.
What?
Hugo Kupka, the man who gave his life for a woman's head. A fool like all the rest.
What? Is Shiva here?
Oh, she's back at the base camp.
Yeah.
At the death of a mother crystal.
Oh, okay, so it's just crystal
So
flecks.
beautiful.
We broke it.
Mm-hmm. Fuck that thing.
Some medicine, my lord?
Nah, we're
I
good.
seem to be a reoccurring character.
I have salves, potions, anything you need.
Stop bothering me, urchin, or you'll feel the back of my hand.
You must consider your health, my prince. If a show of force is needed to keep the Dalmex at bay, you may trust in your dragoons. I beg you to call on Bahamut only as a last resort. His strength comes at too great a cost.
The Empire agreed to an armistice with the Republic, and yet the Emperor still plots its ruin.
My dad's
For
stupid.
now, the Dalmex suspect nothing, and as long as I can hold their gaze, war need not be inevitable. But more than that, Bahamut is the champion of the Empire. When our people look to the heavens, the sight of him gives them hope.
Oh.
And you'd be like, oh, they fucking.
Yeah. Didn't see that coming.
Forgive me, Terence. Would that you were my master. But alas,
I gotta go turn to stone and
Always be your
fight
loyal
people.
servant.
Yeah.
Bahamut's like one of the few cool people
Yeah.
on like a lot of sides. It's just like, oh, he's another dominant. Also, he's not a terrible human being for once.
Yeah.
the Republic to take
There are very few and far
advantage of
between
the
those
Jewish
dominants that are actually decent people.
Our soldiers would advance to meet them, cutting across the Central Isles, but not in time to prevent their forces from breaching the southern defenses and storming Twinside. And so the capital would become a battlefield. Thousands of innocents would die. I cannot allow that to happen.
There is one small mercy, at least. You will not be forced to do battle with Titan.
Would that I could avoid doing battle at all.
1,000 pardons, Your Highness.
What is it?
Olivier has been made emperor. What is the meaning of this? My father's orders. What were they? Quickly!
Yes, Your Highness. His Radiance requests that Your Highness maintain position here and...
You should probably go.
Yep. Was that your
Yes, my
stepbrother,
Yeah.
technically? Okay.
Bitch son.
Yeah.
Bitch's son.
I'll ready your steed.
That little bastard's the emperor now, for some reason.
What is it now?
Sir?
Oh.
Forgive the intrusion. Your Highness.
I know you.
Like, holy shit, you're alive?
We stand in the presence of the Phoenix. You wouldn't want to get your fingers burned.
Also, his
I hope I'm not interrupting.
his lady might fucking just cut you.
Though I admit,
I guess she's a huge
I
badass.
expect such
Well,
a
huge badass.
distinguished guest.
How many years has it been since the Remembrance ceremony? 20?
How fucking old are we now?
Yeah. Yeah, I might as well be.
Ghost.
Many have told me that I look like one,
I'm very sickly still.
but no,
Yeah.
I'm alive. Just. Prince Dion of the House Lesage, I have a tale to tell you.
Okay. Oh, come back to the hideout. Shoom.
I'm gonna go sleep for like 3 days.
Yeah, that hurt. My uncle here.
He punched me through a mountain.
This water eats wood.